Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you for the coming half of the month and the year end. So let's see what are the messages for Aquarians for the coming half of the year and the year end. Messages for Aquarians. So we have the Two of Wands, the Page of Wands, Hierophant, Emperor, the Sun. Wow, seems to be pretty good till now. Ten of Swords, Ace of Swords, the Justice, and the Nine of Pentacles. So Aquarians, you are waiting to take a step towards either some sort of a stability or a commitment or some sort of an insight or some sort of realization. You are waiting for something here basically. You want to take a step forward, but perhaps you are waiting for the right time or the right opportunity, the right person, whatever it is. But you want stability, you want commitment here, you want something long term here. And what I feel is that your wait will be over and you will be able to take that first step. And once you are able to do that, once you get that right opportunity, which I feel you will get in the near future, soon you will get it within this time duration. You will get that opportunity if that is what you are waiting for, which is going to put you in a position of power and happiness basically. Okay, it is something which you are wanting since a long time. Perhaps it is something which is definitely, it has a promise to be stable, and it is something which is definitely putting you in a place of power. It can be a promotion, it can be something of that sort, but definitely it is giving you a lot of happiness, and it was sort of a dream come true. That's what I feel. Okay, and now you are feeling relaxed after that. So you've been waiting for some sort of, it can be a promotion, I'm saying it can be a promotion, it can be a commitment, something which was your dream come true. You've been waiting for it, and once you take some small step in that direction, you feel that the dreams are coming true, everything is falling in line perhaps, and you really feel relaxed and unburdened. You are here taking a break, and it's like spending a vacation over here, because now you feel that yes, you are in the right place, things have got balance for you, things are justified, you feel justified, you feel that your efforts have been rewarded, you feel things are getting balanced and sorted in your life. Okay, and you then are planning to take a break, or you feel relaxed and focus on yourself. So your hard work, your wait, whatever your dreams were, they are getting fulfilled now, and you are feeling yourself in a position of power, and you feel that the justice has been served. Okay, so it is a brand new beginning. So once you feel that okay, you've got your due reward, you are in a position of power, you are happy, you are done with the crap whatever you were dealing with, and then you have a new beginning. Okay, you have a new idea or a new thought. Okay, how you can sort of implement this new beginning and your desires which have come true, the dream which has come true, how to execute it sort of. Okay, and you are doing it in a balanced way, and you are now relaxed and really happy, Aquarians. So it seems to be a beautiful time ahead, Aquarians, for you. Hope this helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, thank you.